निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणी. So first of all, I must thank to Mataji, who so eloquently was chanting this whole chapter, one chapter of Bhagavad Gita. So expert, so eloquent, so perfect way she was chanting. It's all Prabhupada's miracle. And I don't know what I will speak on Bhagavad Gita. All you people, Damodar Das people are so much surcharged. The 18 days hearing Bhagavad Gita, I don't know what more I will speak about it. Maybe I should listen from you, I should hear from you. So we just completed today this Gita Parayan with Yajna, 18th chapter chanting. I heard 2,500 people are present there. So we had very nice celebration today. So one thing is coming to my mind since this morning that I would like to let you know that Bhagavan Sri Krishna said that he gave this knowledge at the beginning of creation to Vivasvana Manu, Manu Ikhaku, like this. It is coming, Vivasvana to Manu to Ikhaku, then Sakalena Mahata Jaganashta Parantava. In due course of time, that knowledge was lost. Then again I am giving it to you. So I have a strong feeling, since Krishna gave at the beginning of the creation, then by the time like 5,000 years ago, he felt it was lost and he is going to give it again. But we must see one thing. By the time Krishna gave 5,000 years ago, up to now, Gita has been lost also. Prabhupada is the one who revived. Just imagine, after Prabhupada take up these preaching activities, how many millions of people have come in contact with the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. Okay, Krishna gave 5,000 years ago, but because of so much wrong commentary on Bhagavad Gita, so everything has been contaminated. The Bhagavad Gita, even in India, among Hindus, has lost its real meaning. Prabhupada is the one who really established the real meaning, because Prabhupada gave a commentary following the footsteps of previous acharyas. The commentary is based on the subject matter that what is purpose of teachings of Bhagavad Gita is to surrender unto Krishna. There are many scholarly people, many political people, many different background people, yogis, muni, rishis, they have given a commentary. But what the result? But we see by reading Prabhupada's Gita how Hindu, Muslim, Christian people, they did not know, they did not have heard name of Krishna. They have become the Acharya, the preacher, great preacher of teachings of Bhagavad Gita. So that is very interesting point, that Prabhupada, just like Krishna, the Gita knowledge was lost, again he imparted to Arjuna. Same way, this knowledge which was given by Krishna 5,000 years ago, the purport of that knowledge was lost, and Krishna sent his pure devotee, Srila Prabhupada, again who imparted this knowledge into the heart of the millions of people. Just imagine today all over the world, this Gita Jayanti is going on. Everybody, people are getting so much acquainted with this philosophy of Bhagavad Gita. And philosophy of Bhagavad Gita is the foundation of our spiritual life, of our devotion life. And not only we are having Gita Jayanti, reciting Bhagavad Gita, or having this yajna, now Mahesh house yajna is going on. Not only this, millions of books are distributed today during this month. We should not greet now people happy Christmas, this is happy Gita Jayanti. Gita Jayanti took place, Gita appearance took place during this month. So now we are very happy to see here, every minute people are informing that I want to sponsor, distribute of Bhagavad Gita. Because everybody wants to become very dear to Krishna. who is very dear to Krishna? One who preaches his Bani, his Katha, one who distributes the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. Krishna saying, nobody was so dear to me, nobody will be so dear to me in future. So you people are really fortunate. You want to become so dear to Krishna, very, very dear to Krishna. So Gitas are distributed all over the world. Especially this year, not only in Mayapur, even with Delhi temple also, they are focusing, telling people that Gita are to be distributed among the tribals. This is a miracle happening in the forest and mountains. We are distributing every tribal house Gita. This year we have targeted to place Bhagavad Gita in 50,000 tribal people's house. We have tribal care going on in Northeast, in Andhra Pradesh, in Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, different places. And you will be really surprised. When I first went to tribal people, they are so innocent with dull head, one kind. I don't know what to speak to them. But they will understand about philosophy. They will not understand any philosophy. But nowadays, surprised by reading Prabhupada's Gita, the tribal people are giving eloquent classes on Bhagavad Gita. There's one lady, her husband was terrorist. Now he's become devotee and she took initiation fast before her husband. And he purchased a set of Bhagavatam. And I'm surprised so nicely he's explained to his tribal peoples. The day will come, the tribal people will come out of the forest to the cities and teach Bhagavad Gita. And that day has come. Yesterday I got one video clippings where one very rich man, businessman in Silchar, he has invited our tribal children, tribal devotees. He has his yearly function of his deity installation, and there is no Bengali, they are all tribals he invited. The tribal children were chanting Mangalacharan, they are chanting Mangalarati, they are doing Narasimharati, Tulasi Puja, all tribals. So I was remembering, the day will come, the tribals will save us, because they are there in the forest where Lord stays and where the Muni Rishi stays. They are really blessed. So, I would like to finish now because the yajna is going on. We will hear more chanting. I will be with all of you for some time now, no problem. I enjoy this chanting to recitation. And next year in Mayapur, we are planning to get 5,000 people gather for chanting Hare Krishna. And I would like to thank all of you for sponsoring this Bhagavad Gita. I hope some of Bhagavad Gita will get, Sri Vallabh Prabhu will allocate for tribal distribution also. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna Maharaj, thank you so much for your presence, for speaking about Bhagavad Gita, encouraging us, and also telling us about how the preaching is going on in the tribal villages and how they are also getting encouraged. So we take those inspirations and we'll try and manage with the recitation of the balance of the chapters today. So the third chapter and the